Welcome to Fruity Kids TV. Are you ready to learn?
Tennessee Animal Song.
In the ocean, let's sing along. Meet the creatures in this song. The dolphin leaps, it's such a sight. In the sea, they swim so bright. Splash, swim, glide, dive. Sea animals come alive. Swish, sparkle, float and play. Underwater fun all day. The shark goes swish, it's quite a glide. The clownfish dances side by side. The sea turtle moves so slow. The starfish sticks to rocks below. Splash, swim, glide, dive. Sea animals come alive. Swish, sparkle, float and play. Underwater fun all day. The octopus squirts, it's quite a show. The jellyfish glows with a soft warm glow. The seahorse curls and rides the waves. The manatee grazes and gently sways. Splash, swim, glide, dive. Sea animals come alive. Swish, sparkle, float and play. Underwater fun all day. The penguin waddles, oh so neat. With a splash and a dive, it's hard to beat. In the ocean we sing with glee, with dolphins, sharks and friends at sea. Splash, swim, glide, dive. Sea animals come alive. Swish, sparkle, float and play. Underwater fun all day.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Fruity Kids TV. Bye-bye!